Speak up Queen, speak up Queen, speak up. Kalau kalian ya, yang Queen ya, kalau misalkan Queen dari
Cuplikan dulu dari Gaby Vesta atau Mak Wegom.
And then so many Queen from the another country from the season.
Jujur aku sudah move on dengan ajang ini. Tapi kali ini ajang ini makin menunjukkan ketidakadilannya. Kaziadol.
Waktu di hari karantina pertama itu aku udah dapat, sebelum berangkat itu aku udah dapat advice dari Kak Gaby, dari Kak Igun. Mereka pesan ke aku kalau bisa asisten atau makeup artist yang kau bawa itu jangan sampai ikut breakfast, lunch atau dinner satu table sama kamu. Jadi itu waktunya kamu gabung sesama queen-queen yang lain. Dan itu aku dengar semua dan aku lakuin. Pas hari pertama karantina itu aku udah ngelihat situasi kalau itu semuanya dilanggar. Jadi rata-rata final.
Jadi sudah menjadi sebuah peraturan bahwa saat menjalani karantina tidak diperkenankan membawa asisten pribadi atau personal MUA atau tim.
Dilanggar. Jadi rata-rata final.
Posisi placement Kaziadol yang terpaksa harus digeser.
Ini aku pakai bahasa Indonesia aja ya. Dia bilang ke aku, maaf ya, kami tahu kalau kamu itu udah di top 12. Cuman kamu digeser sama negara K. Aku sebut aja negara K. Indonesia digeser sama negara K karena yaitu jurinya dari negara K ini. Kamu jadi itu di situ aku sebenarnya aku waktu itu aku sudah lupa ya, udah lupa banget, udah nggak mau mikir-mikir masalah itu. Nah aku dapat message lagi seperti itu, dia bilang kayak gitu ke aku, dia bilang jujur kemarin itu kau udah top 12 tapi namamu digeser sama negara K ini.
Berikutnya ada Miley Cyrus Miss International Queen Indonesia 2023. Next time Indonesia sama Malaysia itu tidak akan bisa masuk. Dan jangan ikut lagi, percuma karena mereka udah cap negara kita belum accepting dan banyak hal yang aku alami di sana mereka itu tidak fair. Gaby Vesta part 1.
Olivia, I love you, I miss you.
She is good, right?
Yeah,
The energy,
so much.
all the like the nanny staff, and then even the general manager is like the tiger. Told me, I'm shocked. Olivia not going to top 12 because she have the good positive energy, and then she spoken English is like very well, and then when she like have the Q&A or speech or something like that, she is straight to the point, not like
talking nonsense.
yeah. But I don't know. Beauty pageant is mystery and beauty pageant is business, honey. So, if you want to making money, yes. If you have a money, you can pay anything. That's right. Period.
Gaby Vesta part 2.
Speak up, Queen. Speak up. Kalau kalian ya, yang Queen ya, kalau misalkan Queen dari aku, ya Keisha udah speak up. And then so many Queen from the another country from the season Keisha, season Milan, and then this season for like Olivia season, so many like a Queen is already speak up, and then so many like media from around the world like Latin media or Asian media already like post from the Queen from about the Queen speak up. So about the competition. Yes, I'm already give the recap for the competition. But about the drama, Miss Malaysia and Miss Thailand is Esmond. She not nice. She not kind. Even smile, she cannot. I don't know why. Maybe her like personality.
Gaby Vesta
From
part 3.
2022 is have a lot of drama and business on the Miss International Queen organization. And then back again to the like 2023, and then this year is 2024 is like the drama is like boom, because not just only Malaysia have the fighting with the Esmond, the staff from Miss Tiffany, and then first runner up Miss International Queen 2018, but it's India spoken to, and then what the country again is Latin, El Salvador spoken to, Colombia, and then so many like speak up about the competition. I think it's not make sense for the top 12. It's okay. I'm not thinking about like why Indonesia not place or something like that, because this is business. But top 12 is nothing.
Gaby Vesta
And then
part
for the
4.
win, yes, she deserve. For Peru, she deserve, because before the prelim, I talked with Lita. It's like she a dark horse, and then all the queen is need to careful with her because she's smart, she doctor, and then she a dark horse. But for the top 3, for me it's not make sense, super not make sense. Philippines is more deserve for going to top 3. USA is more deserve for going to the top 3. And then for the winner, if I think and I'm looking from the preliminary, for Tula standing is deserve is Peru and then USA. As long as like Peru winner or USA winner, but Tula standing is deserve for USA and then Peru. But the judges always same year. Every year is the same person. But I don't.
Gaby Vesta part
Why
5.
Miss International Queen don't want to take the judges is like different. Not like Mimi Han. Not like who the from Japan? Miss International Queen. Yes, last year, and then always. Every year is always the same judges. Why you not chance? Never chance. So many queens, so many like queen from the like a woman, like yeah, maybe you can take like Antonia Porcel, or you can take the queen is like from the Miss Grand International or something like that. It's a lot of the queen, a lot of beauty queen, a lot of king from the male pageant in Thailand. Why always the same judges every year, and then the point always like same? Too bad.
Miss International Queen tanpa Filipina, Vietnam, Indonesia, dan Malaysia bukan apa-apa. Mereka tidak bisa mendapatkan sorotan dengan pendukung besar dari 4 negara ini. Kamu punya uang, ambil mahkota kami dan dapatkan tempat di atas. Uang berbicara, selamat tinggal, dan tidak ada lagi Miss International Queen. Lihatlah, bahkan Olivia Summer tidak mendapatkan tempat di 12 besar. Dia masih mendapat banyak penggemar di Thailand. Semua media selalu mengatakan, di mana Olivia Summer, di mana Olivia Summer. Dan di video ini Olivia Summer berbicara dengan Tiger, salah satu staf dari Miss International Queen Organization. Kontes adalah misteri dan tentu saja adalah bisnis.
No, that song so very viral in Thailand.
Yeah.
Every person always ask me to sing in that song.
Aroy mama. Ini halal food ya guys. Jadi kita nemuin ini nih, Lita cek Google. Tapi dia beda area dari kota.
Jangan tonton video ini hingga akhir ya guys, ada surprise.
Tempatnya nice tuh. Lihat ada yang ganteng. Lihat ada yang ganteng kan?